अकेली? शादीशुदा नहीं है क्या?
बाल खुले थे उसके, सब कुछ दिख रहा था। मुझे पता है इसका टाइप, अटेंशन चाहिए उसे।
And it is indeed my pleasure to welcome the very pretty Shamita Shetty to Showbiz India. You're looking amazing as always. Welcome.
Thank you.
Shamita, this movie was such a delightfully liberating movie, I would imagine, for most women, not just me. It's about a woman who is bold and she just wants to live her life, but she finds herself being judged. What about the script? By the way, a wonderful performance by you, very layered and effortless. What was about the script that attracted you to this film?
It was relatable. And I think most definitely the character was raw. I loved it. Real. Very different from the glamorous stuff that is usually offered. I was looking for something different, and this came to me at the right time. And I liked that it highlighted some issues that needed to be spoken about, issues that women face in the society, the judgmental society we live in. And this was made a while back, honestly, Reshma, but the same problems still exist even now. We're judged for the people we are, where if we're unmarried after a certain age, we're unmarried, we're judged. Don't have children, we're judged. Whether we're successful, independent, we've had our achievements, doesn't matter, we're still judged. The patriarchy, the lack of privacy that we are constantly subjected to, I think it throws light on a lot of very real issues. So I think it's a film, a story that resonated with me. That's the reason I did it.
Now, like you had mentioned, you had done this film a long time ago, but it's still so relevant. 10 years from now, do you think it'll still be relevant and these same issues are going to be still in society?
I'd like to believe not. I'd like to believe that things will change. And I think there is a certain amount of change that has already come about because we're at least talking about it now. Personally, from my experience, I can tell you, yes, there was a time when what people thought about me, said about me mattered. It would affect me. But now I think I've reached a stage where I'm just unapologetic of the person I am and what I want to do.
लड़की आई कहाँ से?
अकेली? शादीशुदा नहीं है क्या?
बाल खुले थे उसके, सब कुछ दिख रहा था। मुझे पता है इसका टाइप, अटेंशन चाहिए उसे।
तू उसे नहीं जानता है।
तो तू उसे जानता है?
And you yourself are an independent woman living alone. Did you kind of face that scrutiny yourself?
Constant judgments, yes. Unmarried at this age, constantly judged, yes. Not that it matters to me, but sometimes when I have stuff online posted about me, and sometimes when I read the comments, most often there's something spoken about my marriage, not having kids, blah blah, whatever, right? Nobody knows my story. Nobody knows what's going on in my life. Nobody knows anything about my journey, but everybody wants to still make judgments. Now I just laugh it off. It doesn't matter to me.
Are you going to live here alone? How long are you planning to stay?
You're a curious little cat, aren't you?
Do you want to do something fun?
I didn't know that you were so different.
What message would you like to say to so many women, and now more and more women want to live independently, yet they just want to live their lives, but they're judged, they're gossiped about, there's suspicion around them. What would you like to say to them? Because I'm sure at some point it kind of makes you feel bad initially, but you have to break that mold.
You have to find the strength within. Believe in yourself, believe in what you want. Don't be so apologetic about asking for what you deserve. I would just say, if you have a dream, just go out there and live your dream and just be strong. In my life, I've been through a certain amount of ups and downs, and I had a choice. I could either let it break me or let it make me stronger, and I chose the latter.
I'm impressed.
Were you famous?
What would you like to say to the outer world about perhaps not being so judgmental and maybe being just kinder?
I feel like social media has allowed this even more. People sometimes use this platform. This is such a big platform to actually, there are positives as well. It brings about a certain amount of change and information as well, which is great. But sometimes I feel like it's used as a platform to just pull people down. It's become a platform where people just come and express their frustration when they can't do it in their world. They use this as a platform to just take out all of their anger, hence the trolls that we are subjected to sometimes. I would just say, gosh, live and let live, What's the time for all this? Stop judging people. Everybody has their story. Just stop being so hard on people, especially women.
I know who you are, सोनिया.
भाई अपनी प्राइवेट लाइफ में जो मर्जी करे, पर सोसाइटी के भी कुछ रूल्स होते हैं ना.
नाम तक झूठा बताया, बताओ.
मैंने सुना ऐसी औरतों के बारे में.
ये मुझे सब पता, मैंने सब देखा है. देखो.
If there was one thing that you would like people to take away from this film, what would it be?
It's exactly this. I think after watching a film like that, if they can just take a step back and just maybe say to themselves, okay, maybe I judged this person wrong. Let me revisit this, I think in a very small way, the film has done what it needed to do.
And this is quite a defining moment in your career, I think. This has been such a layered, bold character. And like I said earlier, you played it with such ease. What would you like to do more now coming forward with your career?
Honestly, Reshma, like I said, this film released a while back in India. It was a very small release because it's an indie film. And it unfortunately didn't get what it deserved. But it just came and went. And luckily now it's got an international platform where a lot of people out there have the opportunity to watch this film today. But in terms of my career, things I think have just come to me when it was meant to. And that's why I think I've had these really long gaps between my releases. And every time I would have a release, and sit down to do an interview about the release, people would call it a comeback. And I'd be like, I didn't go anywhere. I've been here, Where am I coming back from? I don't know about the future. If something good comes my way, if people see a little bit of talent in me and decide to give me something more, something challenging, I would love to take it on and sink my teeth in. I would just like to tell everyone to take out those 2 hours and watch our sweet little film, because it's you won't feel like you wasted your time. It's a nice film.
We're different. This was a mistake.
What about our friendship?